Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. As you guys know, spring is in full bloom and summer is around the corner. So I'm very excited to incorporate in this setup flowers and fruits. So excited. I have been wanting to do this for so long and I finally can because it's the right time. So today I have a springy, summery tablescape backdrop, this whole setup for you guys that you guys can use for any celebration this spring and summer. Mother's Day, Father's Day. Father's Day? Yeah, why not? Birthdays, bridal showers, baby showers, you name it. You can use it all spring and summer long. All right, let's get to the video. Yes, I'm using foam board again. Can beat $10 for 9 boards. So this is 2.5 feet right here and 20 inches this way. And I'm gonna place my boards horizontally so it will be 5 feet wide. And I'm gonna put it together with packing tape. I'm gonna spare you from seeing me put this together. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. So basically we tape these sides together and then the middle. But make sure that you tape in the back side. The front side is where we're gonna place the wallpaper and that needs to be smooth. So just on the back. All right, I went all around the house looking for anything round that I can use to trace my circle on my backdrop. What I found was a bowl, not big enough, so that's a no. I found this tabletop from a side table that I had for years. I don't even know where the legs are at. And this is still too small, but not bad. But I think this might work. This is my bistro table and it is round and I think this might do the trick. Oh snap. Yep, this is it. This is perfect. Yeah, I mean you can do the pencil and thumbtack method. It never works out for me. I cannot draw a straight line. I cannot do a complete circle. And I like to make my life easier. So I'm gonna do whatever works for me. And for me, this table is perfect. So look around your house, or like I said, you can use the thumbtack and thread and pencil circular thingy that people do. I've never, well, I have tried and it doesn't work for me. So my bistro table, perfect for this. All right, let me put this back. That goes under there. And that goes outside, but we're gonna use it for here. Where's my, okay, so this is 6.5 feet tall. I am 5'8", and yeah, 5'8", look at that. So I need this circle to be over my head. It needs to be 6 feet. So only 6 inches. All right, so 6 inches from the top. Right there. Now we are going to turn it around, and no worries about the flimsiness right now because once you put the wallpaper, it'll get firmer. I'm going to be using this beautiful floral wallpaper. I thought this would be a nice contrast to soften up the colors of the flowers I'm going to have. By the way, this will be a good project to do with 2 people. My daughter is unavailable. My husband is at work. So I'm gonna have to thug it out. Thankfully, I have a little bit of experience, so I'm gonna do my best. We don't want to waste paper, so we're going to start from here down. I'm gonna pull over a little bit over here, just enough to be able to pull it under or to tape it under. You can obviously make this with other materials like wood or the very popular insulation board. At the end of the day, it only cost me $10. So if I have to throw it away because nothing else fits in my house, that's okay. Now I'm on my last piece, and just like vinyl, it's best that you use the grit to cut so you can cut straight, because if you're not cutting straight, once you place the wallpaper down, it's just gonna go left or right. Why did I do this? Why did I do this? Oh my goodness gracious. Why did I do that? That makes no damn sense. See how I made my life harder? Two-person job. You guys can go ahead and talk about me in the comments. I won't be mad. Why do we do things when we know better? After that, I was done for the day. All right, guys, so we are outside and it is the next day. The bugs are out. My daughter is my production assistant today. We are going to finish the backdrop that we started yesterday and the whole setup right here on this platform where my greenhouse used to be, and it's no longer there because the wind wiped it off. All right, let's get started. Look at that swing. It's like, yeah, that was there and it is not here. So it's getting closer to the steps so we can throw it out. But here's my mess, and I'm going to start placing everything on here. This is our shelter because it's, you know, the sun in Georgia is really hot. Mamacita, you can start sweeping. You start and I'll finish.
Like on top of it or no?
Yeah, right on top of it. Let's start here on the top. All right, move behind the camera then if you're not going to do it. You're going to do it? Okay. Let's start from the back all the way. Let's get it all off. We gotta do it fast. I gotta hurry. If you're new here, my daughter has a mild intellectual disability from a brain injury, which has also come with some mental health challenges. When we first got the diagnosis, I honestly thought all the dreams I had for her ended that day. But she's done nothing but prove me wrong over and over again. And I couldn't be more proud of her. All right, watch out. I just got my toes done. That's why I have sandals. It's not ideal for doing this, but I don't want to mess up my toes. Yeah. You're good. I'm going to put the backdrop, the one that I made yesterday, right here in front of the brass wall. The table here, the bar here. Yeah, that'll work. You bring the sticks and I'll get the heavy thing, okay? Oh, this is hot. Sitting in the sun. Woo. What's the matter? Don't be dramatic like me. Okay. There you go.
I drop it.
No, don't drop it. Place it down. Don't drop it. Watch my toes.
Place it down.
Okay, thank you. What, it's hot?
Yeah, it was hot.
Okay. Mwah. All right, go sit right there in the shade. I'll call you when I need you, okay? Okay, so to hold my backdrop together, since it's made out of foam board, I'm going to use my heavy duty stand. I have a couple of these. They always come handy. They're about $150. $159.99 I think they are. The prices haven't changed in years. I got this from even Decor Direct or eFavorMart, one of those two. I will link it for you guys. I'll tag it and link it. Ah! This bumblebee got it out for me since last week. And I'm gonna have flowers, so they think that they're real flowers and they're not. That's what I think they think, or they're just bugging me because they're bugs. Oh, you know what I forgot? Can you bring me the packing tape? The big roll of tape is in the basement.
Okay.
It's right on top of that shelf. It's clear, the clear one. You don't have to run, okay? I always add tape right here because it's a bit stretched out, so you always pop off. So I'm just gonna do this to secure it. A little trick. I had a floral wall that was really heavy, or I still have. I barely use that, but yeah, and it kind of stretched out this thing right here. So the little hoops, loops, whatever. So now it needs these to stay. So now we're gonna whiten this a little bit. I'm so scared of this falling on my foot because it did one time. The little corner got me and my foot was numb for 3 months. I'll be hurting myself with these things, guys. All right, so I'm bringing this in. All right, now it's too wide now. So now we're gonna tape it down. We're gonna place it right there and right there. So we're gonna tape wherever all the connections are at to stabilize it a bit better. Whew. All right, hopefully I'm not a hot mess. All right, so now we are going to cut these. Let's start here. So a nice little slit, and we're going to bend it back. I think my neighbor is talking business and I'm here doing my DIYs. My husband wants to move to a neighborhood where there's no neighbors. I like to be around people, although I don't like to talk to everybody because I'm not good with small talk, you know? Everything I do has to be quality. I don't know if you can see this on there. Quality time. If it's not like a big holiday, I prefer, you know, a one-on-one or just a small group because you can bond a little better that way. You can have quality time than when there's a lot of people and you're gonna do a small talk and be like, hey, how's the business? How's the kids? Like, girl, I wanna really talk about like the dirt. What's going on? What's traumatizing you? You know, let me fix your life. That's the type of stuff I like to do. Wait a minute, what happened here? Yeah, this part right here is too short, so I'm gonna have to tape it down. So make sure you don't cut it too short. Where's that tape? Does that look better? All right, guys, so there it is. Every 2 inches, make a slit. That's gonna help you with the roundness. Behind this circle, I'm going to tape down floral foam so I can place these flowers. Okay, I got from Hobby Lobby a long time ago, very springy. I think these are from Michael's. And then some branches of oranges so it can go with the theme. And again, I will have all of this linked down below and tagged if I can find them. I was not recording the whole time. I have some foam and I just used my tape and I taped it this way and this way and that way. You're gonna give it some length here because I don't wanna cut my stems so short because I'm gonna reuse them for something else. Very minimal. Super cute. As you can see, my table has an umbrella hole, and that is exactly where I'm going to place my centerpiece. And my centerpiece is going to be my paper flowers. I don't know if this is going to work. I just started asking myself, how can I make mine different? So this is what I came up with. Let's see if it works. And by the way, that base I just placed at the bottom, very unnecessary. The hole on the table and the rug hold the tubes just fine. Because I have a hole in the middle, I'm going to use drapes as tablecloth. A lot of people are doing it, and I thought this would be perfect, so I didn't have to cut a hole in any of my tablecloth. I'm going to use 8-inch paper flowers as part of my centerpiece. Let's see if my vision come to life. Let's do the orange in the middle. Still a little taller than what I wanted it to be. Maybe pull back a little. I guess I could cut the PVC a little. Now that this is done, I'm going to start with the fruits. I'm going to start with the oranges and tangerines, and then I'm going to cut up some of the grapefruit and put some flowers on them. Look at this beauty. adding a leaf to this one to add a little more pizzazz there. Preferably do this with hot glue. I'm going to use this natural placemat that I got from Walmart. So cute, right? This is so cute. For this tablescape, I'm using coral dinner plates. It has a gold rim, and I'm using orange flowers paper plates that I found at HomeSense. Yeah, HomeSense. Now the flowers make more sense now that you see the plates on here. So now everything is flowing together. Love it. For cutlery, I'm using this plastic, gold, and wood plasticware. And we're gonna finish it up with the glasses. For this setup, I'm only using one wine glass since there's a lot going on in this small table. So adding 2 glasses, which I prefer, is just not ideal. These are a pinkish corally type of color, which is perfect for this. Now I'm gonna style because although the backdrop is pretty, the table is pretty, you need to bring it all together so it can look like an experience. So I'm going to add my giant paper flowers that I made last week. The little details really do make a difference. And with that said, guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts about this setup. Let me know if you'll be making it this spring or summer. And I've been meaning to remind you guys to follow me on my social media accounts, especially on Instagram and Facebook. That's where I'm the most active, to see some behind the scenes, to see other things, and pictures of all of my setups. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and share with your friends and family members, especially the ones that love to host. All right, guys, until next time, bye. See you on the next video.